Did you know that using the colors white and blue while playing Holi is going to enhance more peace in your life? Use more of red in the Holi colors if you wish to reclaim your power and your strength. Use more of orange color in your Holi celebrations to attract people with a very pure intention in your life. To increase the quotient of love in your life, use more of green this Holi. Wishing you much love. Indigo is the color one should use to gain more knowledge. So if kids are playing Holi, infuse more of indigo shades. If you're studying and are looking at gaining more and more knowledge, then indigo is the color that you should be using. A splash of yellow can only add a lot of joy and happiness in your Holi celebrations. So make sure that this color is a must while you are playing Holi with your loved ones. Wishing you a happy Holi.